How to save chats on Snapchat for 24 hours. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Chats, then select the chat where you want to save chat for 24 hours. Then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. You'll find Chat and Notification Settings. Click on Chat and Notification Settings. Then you'll find Delete Chat option. Click on 24 hours after viewing. After you click on that, simply your chat settings will be changed to 24 hours and your chats will be saved for 24 hours. This is how to save chats on Snapchat for 24 hours. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.